I need you to hear this gently, but firmly. You have no idea how many connections you're missing right now. People are commenting on your Instagram, following your account, sending you messages, and they're getting ghosted. And if they're not getting ghosted, you are manually replying to your phone with it glued to your hand, stressed out all the time. You're missing out on money, sales, opportunities, and so much more. There's a conversation problem, but luckily we're here to fix it. This video is about your first automation. In the last one, we connected your Manychat account and made sure you had all your sign-in options and other people have access to your account as well. Now we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty and make your first automation. This is going to be your bread and butter. Once you set it up, you don't have to worry about it. It's going to run every single time, and all you have to do is set up a new automation once you start to get the hang of things. Then all of a sudden, connections stop getting missed, sales start getting made, and you are living the dream, sipping a Mai Tai and Tahiti. We're going to start with quick automations here because this is the fastest and easiest way to get set up. We'll get more into the technical stuff later on. So I've signed into my Manychat account and I've connected my Instagram. Now I want to build my first automation. In this video, I want to show you how to set up a comment to DM automation. As you can see, we can click on this option, auto DM links from comments, and this is on our homepage, so it's under start here. If I want to see a full list of all my automations running, I can go to automations and then see a full list right here as well. So I can click new automation, I can click auto DM links from comments, or I can do start from scratch right here and start with a blank. In this example, we're gonna go over quick automations. So this is gonna be your best friend for getting up and running quickly, getting automations live as soon as possible. So we have quick automations right here, and we also have flow builder down here. So make sure for this example, you're clicking on a template that says quick automations. This is the same as the one under our home tab, auto DM links from comments. The same thing. As you can see, quick automations. So I'm gonna click here. I'll do cancel and start fresh. You won't see that, but this is what quick automations is gonna look like. So let's go through it real quick. When someone comments on a specific post or reel, any post or reel, or next post or reel. So basically we're trying to select which is which. So I'll do any post or reel for right now. And then we're gonna select a keyword. So whenever somebody comments a specific word or words, so I'm gonna say guide. Let's say in the post, for example, I'm saying, hey, comment guide below to get my free PDF about how to look as handsome as me. That'll be my Instagram. But if I wanna comment this, it'll be guide. Here are other examples as well, or it can be any word, or it can, then you can also reply to comments under their post. So we'll do specific word or words, we'll do guide, and we'll move on. And right now it's any post or reel. So any person that comments guide on any of my posts is gonna receive this. Then I'll be able to add replies under their post. So it'll publicly reply, hey, thanks, please see DMs. And I can change the copy here, or I can add an emoji. We'll add an emoji up here. Winky face, awesome. Then they will get an opening DM. So, hey there, I'm so happy for your interest, right? So they're gonna get whatever message I send here. And then this is optional. Obviously, I can just send a DM with a link. So I can say, hey, here is your link. Add a link down here. This is the button label, so we'll say click me. And then we'll go to youtube.com, right? That's just an example. So I can just do this and I'm able to go live right now. But there's a reason that you might want to send an opening DM. And this unlocks so many more automation opportunities for you, right? We're talking about misconnections. So if someone doesn't click on the link, hey, can I follow up with them? Hey, can I get an email from them? Or can I get a follow from them before I share the guide? Something like that. This is only possible with an opening DM. And this is because there's something called the 24-hour rule. The 24-hour rule is really important to understand because this is something that Meta introduces to make sure that we can't send unlimited automations. After somebody engages with you, whether it's a comment, a follow, a keyword message, anything like that, they're basically signaling interest to your account. You get to send them a message and you have 24 hours to send that message. Comments are unique in that if someone comments on a post, you can only send them one message, which is what you're allowed to do here, right? But if they engage with you in the DMs, such as pushing a button, such as sending you a message in the DMs, then you have 24 hours to message them as much as you want, right? We don't want to be spammy. We don't want to send them 1,000 messages in that 24-hour window. But it is a time frame where you can send them several messages to get them to follow up, get them to engage, and coerce them into doing what you want. So this is why you want to send the opening DM, because as soon as they click this button that says send me the link, that's when the 24-hour window opens. If they comment, all you can do is send them one message and you can't follow up with them. You can't ask them for something else. It's really hard to engage with them, right? So that's why it's valuable to have an opening DM. So let's say we want to DM asking them for a follow, right? Say, hey, before I share the guide, this is only for my followers, so make sure to share it. This thing is especially for my followers. Right after you follow me, I'll send you the link so you can dive straight in. Awesome. So they'll tab out follow, they'll click following, and then awesome. That's when they receive it, right? Or instead of a follow, I can ask them for their email. And amazing. And if they don't click the link, I can also say, hey, just so curious, don't forget to tap the link, right? So simply by toggling on and off, and then if we want, I can change this copy as well. This is how I can create my first automation. So I think this looks pretty good. I'm just gonna go up here and click go live. Incredible. And it's as easy as that. You've already published your first automation. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. So that is how you set up a comment to DM automation. And there is a ton of different entry points as well. So we have comments, we also have DMs, story replies, share to DM, and so much more. We're constantly adding new entry points, so make sure to go through your Manychat account to see them. But for some example, we have auto DM links from comments, generate leads from stories. So this is when somebody responds to your story or shares your story. That's how you can start an automation there. And then respond to all your DMs. So this is similar to comment to DM, but instead it's somebody messaging you first. So let's say in my bio I have something like, hey, message me guide and I'll send you my free guide for all new followers or something like that. So I can say guide, right? And just do the same thing here. Now I don't need an opening DM because with DMs, the 24-hour rule is automatically open. So I don't need to do all the extra stuff that we were talking about with comments. So I hope this is helpful, and make sure to stay tuned for other Instagram and Manychat tutorials. You're dangerous now and you are making money. If you stop here, you'd be ahead of most people. But if you keep going, you're going to be so much better off. You can look forward to more engagement, better conversations, and actual conversions. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep your eye out for more Manychat content.